make you some cupcakes. Yummy, let's put it on. And this French fries. Huh? Why did you mess up?
I did?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Maybe polar bear did? Or your white bear did? Really? I did? Who messed this up?
Can you help me fold this?
Did you mess this up?
I was feeding them.
I know. Then who did?
Can you did?
How did you know?
Can you help me folding it up?
Okay. Let's fold it together.
Follow me.
Okay, I will help you folding it.
First, we put it in half.
Yes.
And
Yes.
and
Yes.
a little bit one more.
Yes.
Yeah, roll it
Yes.
like this.
Oh, like that.
Like
Yes.
yummy.
Banana?
So
Kimbap. Oh, like square, but
oh
you
God.
fold it like kimbap.
Yummy.
Oh, okay, two finished. Folding. One more.
I have an idea. This
Okay.
has a
Yes,
like
animals.
animals, right?
Yes.
So I will fold it like an animal.
Okay. Like this.
This
Like this.
and
Like that. Wow.
it's like a house, animal house, zoo.
Oh, that looks like
zoo.
animal house.
A
Yeah.
zoo.
Oh, so that's kimbap, yellow kimbap with animal zoo. What is this? Yeah.
You fold that towel. Thank you for helping.
You're welcome.
And I still need to feed the animal. Don't
Okay.
mess up one more time.
Okay, I will not mess up anymore. Okay. Do your
But you
business.
can eat the
Kimbap.
kimbap.
Okay, thank you. Oh, yummy actually. So today in our Bible story, we learned Abraham helped his nephew Lot. Lot was taken from his home. Abraham rescued Lot. Why do you think Abraham rescued Lot?
Because the 4 bad king won the 5 bad kings. So the 4 bad king got everything, the Lot's family and his stuff.
Yeah, so Abraham came to help rescue Lot. Why?
Because they're family.
Yes, because they're family. How do you think Lot felt? How do you think Lot felt when Abraham rescued him?
Thankful.
Too much thankful, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was in danger, captured by all the bad people, maybe afraid and scared. But suddenly, Uncle Abraham came to help. What are you doing there?
They're eating. They are messing up.
Oh my God, they are messing up. Lot might feel very, very happy and relieved.
Yeah.
What are some ways you can help others at home or in our class? So, Joan,
Yes.
do you help people?
Yes.
Yes. So, how do you help people? For example, in our house, how do you help mommy?
If mommy said clean up, I clean up together.
Wow. And?
And maybe if mommy said fold my laundries, no, my dry laundries, I fold it to my
Yes.
drawer.
Yes, you fold it by yourself.
Yeah.
Store them by yourself and put them in the drawer.
And this is a little bit funny.
Okay.
The laundries, dirty laundries, I throw it into the laundry basket.
Oh, you mean the dirty
Yeah,
clothes? You
like
put
a
them-
basket. No, like a
trash can?
basketball.
A basketball. So you throw it, like that?
Yeah.
Okay. And what about in your class at school?
Class.
Yes, in the school.
When
Uh-huh.
is clean up time, I clean up.
When it's time to clean up, you
Yeah.
clean up. So you follow the teacher's instruction.
Yes.
Do you help your friends in the school?
Yes. When they're
Yes.
tired or they hurt somewhere,
Yeah.
when I
Uh-huh.
help her, I
Yes.
take them to the down
Nursing room.
nursing.
Oh, school nursing room. Oh, great. So there are many ways we can help others, just like Abraham helped his nephew Lot. So do we have to help others all the time?
Yes.
Yes,
They
because
don't help me cleaning up their food.
they are naughty toys.
It's not toy, they're pets.
They are pets?
Yeah.
They are alive?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.